So without wasting much time, let's jump into the video. Hi, hello. Welcome to Dr. Rajkumar's Learning app. So as you all know, today's session is about the female reproductive organ in flowering plants. The female reproductive organ is your gynoecium. As you know, it is the innermost and the fourth whorl of a flower. The gynoecium represents the female reproductive part. Now, gynoecium consists the pistil or carpel. So there are two names. It can also be called as pistil or a carpel. Now, this gynoecium can consist from one pistil to many pistils. So based on this, there are different types of flowers. That is, your first one is your monocarpellary flower. It has one pistil. So the word mono itself tells us that it has one carpel or a pistil. For example, you can find it in your plants of almond, cherry, pea, coconut. All of these are examples for your monocarpellary.
Hi there. I have a very interesting topic for you today. Let's talk about cars. The name of this car here is Xenia, and this is red in color. Now let us take a blue car on my other side, and this is Taurus. In the event of a car crash against the wall, let's see what happens to each of these cars. As we saw from the video, the deformation of Xenia was much higher compared to that of Taurus. Let's find out how. Deformation is calculated using the formula 0.5 times the weight of the car multiplied by the square of speed divided by 22,500. In the case of Xenia, the weight is 20 and the speed is 60. Therefore, deformation is equal to 0.5 into 2260 into 60 into 60 divided by 22,500, that is 180. In the case of Taurus, the weight is 1522 and the speed is 50. Therefore, the deformation is equal to 0.5 into 1522 into 50 divided by 22,500, which is equal to 84. The Global Car Safety Organization uses this exact same method to test the safety and reliability of a car. Based on the deformation values of the cars, GCSO categorizes them as follows. If deformation is greater than 180, it is considered lethal for the passengers. If the deformation is between 80 and 180, it is considered average. If the deformation is below 80, it is considered good. Now that we have learned about deformation, it's time to help the Global Car Safety Organization. You have to help the GCSO by creating a simulator to collide a car sprite with the wall and calculate its damage. Let's get coding.